Good morning, my dear students. Okay, yesterday we have completed the 11.2 first main. So let us move to the second main. Choose the correct option and justify your question number 2. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. The question is 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. 1 plus tan square 30. The options are A sin 60, B cos 60, C tan 60, then D sin 30. Okay, we have to check which one is the option. Now 2 tan 30, that is 2 into 1 divided by root 3, tan 30, that is 1 plus tan square, 1 plus tan square, that is 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay, now 2 by root 3, 2 into 1, 2 by root 3. Now the denominator will become 1 divided by root 1 divided by simply root 3. When the root 3 is square, that way we have the only 3, that is 3. Next 2 by root 3, then whole divided by LCM is 3. 1 3s are 3 1s are 3 plus 1, that is 2 by root 3 whole divided by 4 by 3. Okay, 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is 3 divided by 2 root 3. When we rationalize this term, root 3 divided by root 3, this will become 3 root 3. Then 2 root 3 into root 3, 2 into 3. 3 3 cancel that is equals to root 3 by 2, which implies sin 60 is the root 3. Okay, then which one is the option? Oh, A is the option. A is the option for the 2 tan 30 plus 1 plus tan square 30. Okay, right now. Now second one. 1 minus tan square 45. Second, 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. 1 plus tan square 45. The options are A tan 90, B 1, C sin 45, D that is 0. D is 0. Okay, now let us simplify this one. Tan 45 implies 1 minus tan 45 is 1. There is 1 plus tan square 45 is equal to square. 1 square is 0 by 1 plus 1, that is 0 by 2, which is equal to 0. That is D. Option is the D. Next, the third one. Option is the third one. Third question is sine 2a equals to 2 sine a. Is it true when a equals to third sine 2a equals to 2 sine a is true when a equals to 0, b equals to 30, c equals to 45, d equals to 60. Okay, let us check sine 2a. 0 sine 2 0 into 0, that is 2 sine a, that is 0. 0. Okay, so A is the suitable answer for the third question. Then fourth, 2 tan 30 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. 1 minus tan square 30. Okay, 2 into 1 divided by root 3. 1 minus 1 divided by root 3 whole square. Then 2 by root 3 whole divided by, that is 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equals to 2 by root 3. LCM is 3. 1 3s are 3 1s are 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2 by root 3. The whole divided by 2 by 3. 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. 2 cancel. Then what happens? 3 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. 3 root 3 divided by 3 cancel, which implies tan 60. Tan 60 is the C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is tan 60. Okay. Now let us move to question number 3. You now write it. See, read the question. Question number 3. If tan of a plus b equals to root 3 and tan of a minus b equals to 1 by root 3, 0 is lesser than a plus b is lesser or equals to 90 degree, a is greater than b. Find a and b. A is greater than b means the angle a what we are going to obtain should be greater than angle b. Okay, let us move to solve this one. Given tan of a plus b, tan of a plus b equals to root 3. Okay, tan of a plus b equals to root 3, that is tan 60. Root 3 means that is the tan 60. Okay, leave these angles, then a plus b equals to 60. Equation 1. Then second, tan of a minus b equals to 1 by root 3. Therefore, tan of a minus b equals to 1 by root 3 is nothing but tan 30. Tan 30. Okay. Now tan of a minus b. No, not necessarily. Once again we have to write tan of a minus b is equal to tan 30. Now equality is expression. A minus b equals to 30. Second one. Solving 1 and 2. 1 and 2. A plus b equals to 60. A minus b equals to 30. Minus by adding. Don't change the by adding. Plus b minus b gets cancelled. 2a equals to 90. Therefore, a equals to 90 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 45 are. Therefore, a equals to 45. Put a equals to 45 in equation 1. That is a plus b equals to 60 degrees. Here a is 45, angle b equals to 60. Angle b equals to 60 minus 45. Therefore, angle b equals to not necessary to write angle. B equals to, that is 50. That is 25. 60 minus 45. B equals to 45. So, angle A is 45 and angle B is 25. So now angle B is 60 minus 45, that is 15. Angle B is 15. So angle A is greater than angle B. That means 45 is greater than 50. A is greater than 45 is greater than 15. Okay. Now write down. Now, question number 4. It seems this one is the last question for this exercise 11.2. Okay. Now, let us read the questions. Sin of a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b. Sin of a plus b equals to sin a plus sin b. Simply we have to tell true or false. Okay. Let us consider sin 30. One angle has 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay. Sin of 30 degree plus 60 degree means sin 30 plus sin 60. Okay, sin 90 it will become here sin 30 1 by 2 plus sin 60 root 3 by 2. Here sin 90 is 1. The 1 is not equals to 1 plus root 3. 1 plus root 3. So this implies false. Which one is false? The first one, sin of a plus b equals to sin a plus b. Let us consider the angles as a as 30 degree, b as 60. Sin 30 plus 60 in the sense that is sin 90, which is equals to 1. Here sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay, then when we simplify, LCM is 2 over that is 1 plus root 3. 1 is not equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. So this statement is false. Now let us move to the second one. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases. That means sin 0 to 90, let us find 0 to 90. Sin 0 is 0. While we go on increasing the angles, the sin 90 will be 1. So this statement, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases, means true. This one is true. Second, see, there sin 0 is 0, but sin 90 is 1. You know that the 1 by 2 is there, 1 by root 2 is there, root 3 by 2 is there. Like this, as the theta increases, the value of theta as theta increases. So the second one is true with respect to that statement. With respect to that statement. Then third, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. See, let us once again find 0 to 90 of cos trigonometric specific angles. The cos 0 is 1 while cos 90 is 0. That means this statement not increases but decreases. So this statement is false. Which one? Which one false? That is third one. The value of cos theta increases and theta increases. Actually what will happening? The value is decreasing. So now the fourth one, sin theta equals to cos theta for all values of theta. See, we know sin 30 is equals to cos 60, that is equals to root 3 by 2. Then the similar one is sin 45 and cos 45 are 1 by root 2. So only in case of angle 45, the sin theta is cos theta, sin theta and cos theta are equal. But in this case, sin 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is root 3 by 2. All values are different. So sin 45 cos 45 in case only equal. Therefore, this is also false. Which one is sin theta equals to cos theta for all values? It is suitable for only sin 45 and cos 45. Now let us move to the fifth one. Cot A is not defined for A equals to 0 degree. Okay. Now cot A equals to 1 by tan A. Okay. Then 1 divided by tan A angle A. True. This one is true. This one is true because that is 1 by 0 is nothing but that is the not defining term. Okay, write down all these the questions as well as answers. Now this exercise is completed. Tomorrow let us move to the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, thank you.